Have you ever looked in the mirror tracing the fine lines around your eyes or the crepe-like texture on your arms and felt a wave of frustration? You're doing what you've been told to do your entire life. You're drinking your 8 glasses of water, maybe even more. You carry a water bottle with you. You choose water over sugary drinks. You are diligent. So why, after all that effort, does your skin still feel so tight, so dry, so thirsty? It's a confusing and disheartening feeling, isn't it? You're putting in the work, but you're not seeing the results. It can make you feel like you're fighting a losing battle against time. But what if I told you that the advice to just drink more water is only half the story? What if the water you're drinking is struggling to get to where it's needed most inside your skin cells? Imagine water molecules lining up outside a locked door, unable to get in. In this video, we are going to reveal the hidden key that unlocks that door. We're going to uncover why chugging plain water isn't giving you that plump, hydrated skin you're working so hard for, and we'll reveal the simple, natural solution found right in your grocery store that will finally let that water in, quenching your skin's thirst from the inside out. You'll learn exactly what to eat to transform your skin's hydration, and it's simpler than you could ever imagine. Before we dive into this secret, if you are committed to aging with vitality and grace and you want health tips that really work for our generation, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and click that little notification bell. We share the kind of advice that helps you live your best life every single day. And I'm always so curious to know who I'm speaking with. Are you watching from the United States, from the United Kingdom, from Australia, or somewhere else in the world? Please take a moment and drop your country in the comments below. It's wonderful to see how our community of health-conscious seniors spans the globe. Alright, let's talk about this great hydration myth. We see it everywhere in magazines, on television, from our doctors. Drink 8 glasses of water a day. And while water is absolutely essential for life, the idea that drinking more of it automatically leads to better hydrated skin is a massive oversimplification, especially for those of us over 60. Think of your body as a vast and intricate city. Your cells are the houses in this city. The water you drink is like the city's water supply, flowing through the streets, which are your blood vessels. Now, just because water is flowing down the street doesn't mean it's getting inside the houses. For the water to actually get into the house, to nourish the family inside, someone needs to open the door. If the door remains locked, that water just keeps flowing right on, but eventually leaving the city through the sewer system, or in our body's case, through our kidneys, and out as urine. This is exactly what's happening when you drink glass after glass of plain water and still feel dehydrated. The water is in your system, but it's not getting inside your cells, where it does its most important work of plumping, nourishing, and revitalizing. Your skin cells remain locked, thirsty, and that's when you see the dryness, the flakiness, and the accentuation of fine lines and wrinkles. So, what is the key? What unlocks the doors to your cells? The answer is electrolytes. Now, don't let that word intimidate you. Electrolytes are not some complicated chemical you need a PhD to understand. They are simply minerals that carry an electric charge when they're dissolved in a fluid like water. And these minerals perform hundreds of roles in your body, from regulating your heartbeat to allowing your muscles to contract. But one of their most crucial jobs is controlling fluid balance. They are the gatekeepers of your cells. They decide what comes in and what goes out. They hold the master key. Two of the most important electrolytes for cellular hydration for unlocking that door are potassium and magnesium. You've probably heard of them, but you may not have realized just how critical they are for your skin. Think of it this way: inside every one of your cells, there's something called the sodium-potassium pump. It's a tiny microscopic engine that's constantly working. Its job is to pump sodium out of the cell and pull potassium into the cell. This process is what draws water into the cell along with the potassium. If If you don't have enough potassium, that pump can't work efficiently. The door to your cell stays shut. The water you drink just passes by, and your skin cells shrivel up like a raisin. Magnesium is the loyal partner in this process. Magnesium is required to power that sodium-potassium pump. Without enough magnesium, the engine doesn't have enough fuel to run. So even if you have potassium, the pump can't operate at full strength. You need both potassium and magnesium working together to open the floodgates and let that life-giving water rush into your skin cells. So the next logical question is, why are so many of us low in these crucial minerals? Well, a few things are working against us as we get older. First, modern farming practices have depleted our soils of many essential minerals, including magnesium. The carrot your grandmother ate had far more nutrients than the one we buy at the supermarket today. Second, our diets have changed. We tend to eat more processed foods, which are notoriously high in sodium and stripped of potassium and magnesium. This creates an imbalance. Too much sodium outside the cell and not enough potassium inside makes the hydration problem even worse. Finally, as we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing and retaining minerals from our food. Certain medications like diuretics or blood pressure pills can also deplete our levels of these vital electrolytes. It's a perfect storm that leaves our skin cells parched no matter how much water we drink. But here is the wonderful, empowering news. It is not too late to make a change. Growing older doesn't mean giving up on having healthy, radiant skin. It means using smarter strategies. And the strategy we are talking about today is found in your kitchen, not in a fancy, expensive jar of cream. We are going to build our own cellular hydration toolkit using delicious whole foods. Let's start with the first electrolyte key, the mighty potassium. When you think of potassium, the first food that probably comes to mind is a banana. And while bananas are a good source, I want to start with an even more powerful and often overlooked champion of potassium. I'm talking about the sweet potato. This humble root vegetable is an absolute powerhouse. A single medium-sized baked sweet potato can provide you with a significant portion of your daily potassium needs, often more than a banana. But its magic doesn't stop there. The potassium in a sweet potato acts like that perfect key, fitting into the lock of your skin cells and swinging the door wide open for water to enter. Imagine each of your skin cells as a tiny balloon. Without enough potassium, that balloon is deflated and wrinkled. But when you eat a sweet potato, you're sending in a rush of potassium that allows water to inflate that balloon, making it plump, firm, and smooth. The visible effect is skin that looks fuller, more youthful, and has that healthy glow. Plus, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for skin cell turnover and repair, helping to protect your skin from sun damage and promoting a healthy epidermis. So you're getting a 2-for-1 benefit. You're hydrating from the inside and protecting from the outside. You don't need to do anything fancy. A simple baked sweet potato with a little bit of butter or olive oil is a delicious and incredibly effective way to start replenishing your potassium stores. Try swapping out regular white potatoes for sweet potatoes a few times a week. Your skin will thank you for it. Next on our list of potassium powerhouses is something green and leafy. Popeye's favorite food, spinach. We often think of spinach for its iron content, but it is bursting with potassium. A single cup of cooked spinach packs an incredible potassium punch. Think about how spinach wilts when you cook it. It starts as this huge pile of leaves and shrinks down. That's because it's so full of water, and you guessed it, the minerals that help control that water. When you eat spinach, you are consuming that same cellular wisdom. You are giving your body the exact tools it needs to manage its own fluid balance. Picture the potassium from the spinach traveling through your bloodstream, arriving at your skin cells and signaling for the gates to open. It helps to counteract the effects of excess sodium which can cause puffiness and water retention in some places while leaving your actual skin cells dry. Spinach helps restore that delicate balance, flushing out excess fluid from between the cells and drawing water